Do you feel power? Do you feel that people keep on hurting you and then you take this hurt through with you throughout the day, throughout your life? Then you are at the right place. This video is meant for you because I am going to discuss how you can overcome this habit of feeling hurt and feeling like a victim. Hi guys, I am Kavita Tulsian, a life transforming coach, a healer and an author of 3 books on self-help. So it is like this, that जभी भी आप अगर if you are responding to someone with bad energy, with negative energy, it is going to backfire every single time. ठीक है? But I can understand and I can totally relate to you because I am also one like you who is sensitive, and when people say something, do something, we get hurt. But the thing is, does it really make sense if we take this hurt with us throughout the day and keep on feeling like a victim and keep on feeling why me? Why do people behave like this with me? It does not make any sense because आप उस नेगेटिविटी को फिर हर जगह पे लेके जाते हो, आप सेल्फ सैबोटेजिंग मोड में चले जाते हो and it really throws you off. That is, it makes you feel disoriented, right? So today I'll be discussing a few points of some very few powerful points which if you can understand, you can really come out of this, right? So point number 1, understand this thing very, very clearly, that when you feel hurt or someone is hurting you, it is never about you. It is always about that person, because that person has, आपके लिए उसने कोई पिक्चर बना रखी है अपने दिमाग में. he is judging you. He is, जिसको बोलते ना, वो आपको probably maybe because of some experiences he or she had with some other people or with you only in the past, and वो आपको उसी तराजू पे तोले जा रहे हैं. He is judging you. He is looking at you with his own perspective, which is probably not you anymore. ठीक है? क्योंकि जैसे कि बोलते ना कि अगर पानी की एक लहर भी आपके सामने से चली जाती है तो दोबारा वो लहर भी सेम नहीं होती है. तो आप भी, हम इंसान भी बदलते जाते हैं, बट दैट पर्सन इज सीइंग यू विद द सेम पर्सपेक्टिव, द एक्सपीरियंस, द काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस ही और शी हैड मे बी अ फ्यू couple of years back or couple of months back. ठीक है? तो वो आपको उसी तरीके से देख रहा है, उसके दिमाग में एक मूवी बनी हुई है आपके लिए, कुछ वर्ड्स है आपके लिए जिससे वो आपको देख रहा है और आपको जज कर रहा है. सो इट इज नेवर अबाउट यू, इट इज ऑलवेज अबाउट द पर्सन. So stop feeling like a victim, because don't take it personally. Don't take it personally ever. And just see that वो आप उनको हीलिंग की जरूरत है, बिकॉज उनको अपने उस फीलिंग से और उस जजमेंट से निकलना है. इट इज नेवर अबाउट यू, राइट? द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस यूनिवर्स इज अ मिरर. एवरीथिंग इज योर ओन रिफ्लेक्शन. So what is inside us, it is reflected outside in people's behavior, right? तो अब आपके अंदर क्या है? Understand this thing. You have created something inside you. आपने अपने जो, where is this pain coming from? जो आपको hurt feel होता है, where it is coming from? It is coming from inside you. So what is inside you? Inside you, there are some past experiences, some bad experiences, some traumas you went through, some experiences with people. जिस भी टाइम में हुआ होगा, जिस भी रिलेशनशिप में हुआ होगा, तो आप उस एक्सपीरियंसेस को डीप इनसाइड लेके बैठे हुए हैं. ठीक है? एंड इसलिए क्या हो रहा है कि जो आप लेके बैठे हुए हो और जिसके ऊपर में आप बार बार ड्वेल कर रहे हो. नाउ वी ऑल नो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, हाउ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क्स. लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक. सो इफ यू आर फीलिंग हर्ट, thinking and dwelling upon those past experiences, upon those past traumas or memories which are not that good, so what is happening? Universe is bringing you more people in your life which is giving you more of those experiences where you are again feeling hurt, feeling rejected, feeling in extreme pain. इस तरीके का आपको हो रहा है. So who needs the healing? We need the healing. We need to heal our inner selves. We need to come out of those past experiences because we have to understand that past is past. Beat gaya, it is done and over. We have to move on in life, right? So this is the second point. The third one is that you are the creator, right? You are not a victim. So there is something, you know, that you have created. You always have two options. आप या तो love create कर सकते हो या आप anger and hatred create कर सकते हो. So what is it that you have created? You have to understand that because you are a very, very powerful creator. So you need to heal those things inside you where you are feeling hurt, where you why you created that pain and anger and hurt inside you. So you need to do the healing of that thing, right? For this healing, you can use any healing tool that you believe in. You can use Ho'oponopono. If you want to learn Ho'oponopono, you can go to YouTube and type Ho'oponopono by Kavita Tulsi, and you will get to know what Ho'oponopono is all about, and you can heal yourself. Number 4 point is understand that basically हर इंसान दिल से अच्छा होता है, ठीक है? Even the person who is coming at you with lot of hate and anger, आप समझिए कि even वो इंसान भी दिल से बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है? Because everyone wants to be loved, understood, everyone wants to be accepted, appreciated and heard. तो अगर आप उसको आप अगर उसकी तरफ बहुत compassionate होते हो तो उस सामने वाले का बिहेवियर बदल जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर सपोज करिए कि किसी को अगर फिजिकल बॉडी में कहीं पे चोट लग गई है, ठीक है, वो आपके पास में आता है और वो दौड़ के आ रहा है, चिल्ला के आ रहा है, वो उसमें भी आपके ऊपर में भी जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहा है कि अरे लग गई मुझे. आप उसमें क्या करते हो? आप भी चिल्लाते हो? नहीं ना. आप क्या करते हो? अरे शांति रखो, मेरे को देखने दो, कहाँ पे लग गई, कैसे लग गई. आप उसकी मरहम पट्टी करते हो, आप उसको हील करते हो, आप कोई ऑइंटमेंट लगाओगे या आप उसको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाओगे, आप उसको हील करते हो, राइट? बिकॉज दैट फिजिकल पेन इज विजिबल. बिकॉज वो पर्सन आपको फिजिकल पेन में आपको दिख रहा है और उसमें वो चिल्ला रहा है तो भी आप बुरा नहीं मानते हो. आपको यही लगता है कि इसको दर्द हो रहा है इसलिए वो चिल्ला रहा है, आपके ऊपर थोड़ी चिल्ला रहा है. सिमिलरली, सिंस आवर इमोशनल बॉडी it is invisible, we cannot see our emotional body. तो आप ये समझिए कि when a person is shouting at you, yelling at you or showing some anger or hatred, तो वो उसकी emotional body में कहीं hurt है. Probably you have not created that hurt, probably someone else has created that hurt, but that person is hurt. जिस तरह से physically भी तो आपने hurt नहीं किया था ना, but फिर भी आप उसको heal करते हो. वैसे ही इमोशनली भी हो सकता है कि वो पर्सन हर्ट हो एंड वो पर्सन बहुत पेन में हो, इसलिए वो आपके ऊपर में आके इस तरीके से चिल्ला रहा है या वो यहाँ पे इसको निकाल रहा है. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, दैट पर्सन नीड्स टू बी लव्ड, टू बी अंडरस्टूड, टू बी हील्ड. सो जस्ट बी compassionate towards everyone in your life that you meet, and you will see a different world, because we all know that if you want to change the world within, and there will be visible changes in the world without, right? Thank you so much for hearing me, and if you like this video, please do like, comment and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, do like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And there is a link below of my exclusive WhatsApp group and my upcoming webinar. Yeah, and if you want to understand if you want to experience Ho'oponopono, and if you want to understand, some healing tools also, how you can heal yourself and how you can save yourself from getting hurt, you can join my webinar. That's a free webinar on Tuesday, on 12th of July at 6 p.m. So you're most welcome to join that, and the link to join my WhatsApp group is below. Just click on the link and join the group. You will get to know all the information about it. Stay blessed. Thank you. Bye bye.